General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right. Just looking at, they saying UPS finna cut some of its workers. Let's get this work though. Make sure it's a fresh one. That's the pictures from Good Times. Classic show, classic show. Phone 2925. News. Did Trump's Attorney General say, "Are you dumb?" It's going down. This is a big news. Trump speaks tentative. That's big too. Big day. ADP non-farm at 8:15. CME Fed Watch. We're not changing rates in May, but we still got to go through and look at it. You just never know. Could have been, what if something happened, you know? Trump did have his 100-day speech. No rate change for May 7th at all. The tariffs did change it a little bit, but when he did the pause, it all went back to normal. 64% for June. Oh, excuse me. It's allergy season. %64 chance of rate cut in June. Earnings. Microsoft and Meta tomorrow. Microsoft and Meta report earnings after hours. Dollar on the daily. Still want to see that high ran. Did we hit that internal range liquidity? What is this? No, we didn't. It's a week. Yeah, that box is too high. Yeah, I'm still looking for higher on the dollar. I don't think I want this. Yeah, it's okay. Weekly box on a daily. It's not tacky. I'm still waiting on higher for the dollar. $100, 276, and then a turnaround. What happened today on Nasdaq? Okay, that was Asia's high. I was looking at that. Today, let's take this off. Today we did kind of respect this gap. Yeah, we did. That was just the last thing we seen. Target miss, took previous day's high. Target miss to previous day's high. Let's see if we hit a weekly level with us taking that, because I don't think we did. We kind of been small range. Yeah, look at this on the week. We've basically been a doji. We're not going nowhere. On the week, we basically been a doji. We haven't hit any key weekly levels to say this is high or low of the week. Friday open price. We've been above Friday's open price. Friday's low is interesting to me. Price hanging above Friday open price. Friday's low still has my interest as far as levels to look for buys. While we stay above Friday's open, I'm thinking about targeting lows still, even with earnings tomorrow. I feel like guidance will be doom and gloom. considering people don't want tariffs on China and the large caps, even though they have the money already. It would make more sense if small cap companies, like companies on IWM or something like that, but top 10 NASDAQ companies is complaining about tariffs, like Jeff Bezos. Like, oh, we're going to pass this cost to the consumer, Man, do better. H4 is looking pretty bearish here. Looking pretty bearish here. Monday's low doesn't look safe at all. Let's see what the H1 is looking like. H1 looks like we could retrace. I think this new day opening gap can get an alert. It deserves it. Let's take this border off. And let me get a small alert line. Let me get my ICT on. And dog. What is it? How does he do it? 429, 25 low. And make the font real tiny and put it right here. Okay. I'm gonna feel a little bit like ICT. Set my alert. And dog tapped. And I still like this target here. Low hanging fruit, even though I'm looking way, way lower. I don't like this how it topped at the end of the day. And I don't like how it just runs. It's been not textbook, not creating fair value gaps, coming back, testing them. Expansion, retracement, expansion. That type of behavior is not really going on. Expansion, this is retracement, this is expansion. But look at delivery all in between that. It hasn't been the cleanest. So it's week 1. NFP week, can I expect it to be the cleanest? No. Week 2, week 3 usually is that. ICT's killing it with the 30 years of experience. So study every day. No days off, no part-time, no sick days. Until you get exhausted, then take a break for a week or 2. 19, 371, 50 is still my target. Alert said, new day opening gap. Alert said, nice area to retrace to. And I want to look for sales above daily open price. All right. Add this to the Telegram journal. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.